Hello, Abhishek. How are you?
Yes, sir, doing good.
Okay, okay. Nervous?
Yes, a bit, but I consider it as excitement.
So you are a bit nervous.
Yeah, I agree.
So if you're nervous, how you can crack this interview?
Well, sir, nervous. Uh, well, it's natural when it's your first interview and when you are worked a year long for this, and you are sitting right in front of a panelist, and this institute has been your COVID, has been on your list throughout, and you have worked and you have given n number of mocks, and there is one just interview. You are just one step away from the institution, so nervousness comes naturally.
No, I don't think so. I have interviewed hundreds of students, hundreds of mentees. Hardly 20% mentees are nervous. 80% are at most at their confidence is at par. So it's not compulsory that it is natural. How can you say that being nervous is natural?
uh, right. Well, so I'm trying to get out of my comfort zone through these mock PI interviews, right? I've enrolled in this uh, PI course for to step out of my comfort zone to be more confident when I face the real interview. So that's my purpose.
Okay, okay, fair enough, fair enough. Okay, so Abhishek, as I can see from your CV, you have been a bright student all your college life, school life. But what I can see is you have won a good significant rank in nationwide science Olympiad, right? Nationwide international science
Yes, sir.
Olympiad. So why not start into with some science question? What say?
Mm. Uh, Totally depends on you, as
Okay.
you like.
So tell me, what is amalgam?
Uh, Actually, I do not have any idea.
Okay,
Sorry,
not a problem.
but I'll
Okay.
definitely look at it.
Okay. See, amalgam is a mixture. Okay. So not a problem. So
Okay.
can you tell me which metal is generally used for amalgam with other metals?
No, sorry, sir. I do not have. Don't know this right now.
Okay, okay, not a problem. It is mercury. Okay, it is mercury. Not a problem. Let's move forward. Can you tell me what is washing soda?
Uh, well, I just don't know this right now. Don't able to recall it
Okay,
right now.
not a problem. Let's move forward. Can you tell this is the easiest one? Okay, now you should answer this, Abhishek. Right?
Yeah, sure.
Can you
I'll
tell
try my
me
level best.
what is the hardest substance present on Earth right now? Hardest substance.
Diamond.
Okay, okay, okay. Fair enough, fair enough. So, can you tell me what is alkali metal?
Mm, no, no, sorry, sir. I'm not able to recall it right.
Okay, okay, not a problem. Moving forward. Okay, so as I can see in extra activities, you have done various courses on C, C++, Python, Java core, data algorithm, HTML. Great, Abhishek, great. So, can you tell me what are the least and tuples in Python?
Sorry.
What are the least and tuples in Python?
Right. Right. Well, list and tuple, they are both actually the data types which we use in Python. And tuple is being used as a function which is basically a step up function used to step up the integer, and it's been used in sorting of data.
Okay, okay, okay. Can you tell me what is lambda in Python?
Uh, no, so
Okay, okay, not a problem. Can you tell me what is break, continue, and pass in Python?
right. Break statement is used to end the loop, right? And second one is what?
Continue or pass.
Continue. Right. Continue and pass. Pass is actually used to input statement when you have to pass certain values in a function. And continuous is when you use it will basically used after break, when you want to restart the function right after a break statement.
Okay, okay, fair enough, fair enough. Let's move forward. Okay, so as I can see, you have scored around 70s in your 10th and 12th, right? Like in 12th, in 12th you scored 72, in 10th you scored 76. But in engineering, you scored 83. That is phenomenal score, 83 percentage. So why so sudden jump, Abhishek? Like from 70s to
Well,
80s?
sir, right, sir, I believe in continuous improvement over the time. And increase engineering, there are a lot of subjects which catches my area of interest. Well, right from my childhood, I have a deep interest in both academics and technology. So that's the reason why I have pursued engineering first.
Okay, so right now you have told me from right from childhood, you have been, academic student, like, right? So why you scored less percentage in 10th and 12th then? You should have scored higher, right?
Right. Sir, as I've told you, I believe in continuous improvement. And uh, uh, all right. Okay. So when I was in class 10th, there are subjects which do not catch my attention. For example, there are too much theory subjects. My grades in uh, class 10th and 12th are fairly good when it comes to physics and science and mathematics, but quite low when it comes to English and other subjects, other theory subjects like SS, Hindi, example, etc.
Okay. What do you mean by SS? Signals and system?
Right. Signals are basically uh, signals are basically the responses from any device, any natural responses from any device, and systems is basically which caters our signal and transforms it to something else, which of
Okay.
course can be utilized further.
Okay, Abhishek. Fair enough. So, Abhishek, as I can see, you have done at least 10 to 12 certifications, right?
Right.
Digital marketing, problem solving, problem management. So, why so many certifications?
So I've so when I was doing my engineering, I uh, have a keen interest in management subjects and statistics and all. And deep down in my mind, I know in the long run, I have to do an MBA degree. So for that, I have done this so many courses and certifications, internships to explore myself to different domains and all. And I know it will be helpful in my management degree. I know these certifications are not directly related to my engineering, but it will uh, help me in management. So that's the reason
Oh,
why I have gone through that problem solving skills and all.
okay, okay. So, tell me, which specialization are you looking for?
HR.
Okay, HR, fair enough. Then tell me, Abhishek, on 13th Feb 2020, why you have done the course of marketing if you are looking for HR? Why marketing then?
Uh,
You should have done a HR.
right. Sir, I'm exploring myself in different domains, and from exploring, I uh, introspected myself and thought that HR would be the best for me. This is something which I can do like throughout my life, right?
Okay, okay. So tell me three reasons why we should hire you. Like you said, you are an HR guy, right? So tell me three reasons why I should hire you or why I should, give an opportunity to study in my B school. Why?
So apart from the academics perspective, I explore myself to different domains. And as an engineering guy, I have been exposed to different technical skills, hard skills, and soft skills. And I have done my graduate. After my graduation, I joined the Cognizant as an intern. And during my days off as an intern, I constantly been exposed to different uh, different technologies, front end, back end. So this is all I bring to the table. And if I got selected into your college and I do not uh, pack myself, do not hold myself, I'll definitely take part in different case study competitions and doing all the volunteer case study competitions and uh, NGOs, and I'm looking forward to it.
Actually, Abhishek, you didn't answer my question. I only asked what are the three major qualities that sets you apart from other candidates? Or why three reasons, give me three top reasons that I should take with my college. Tell me just three top reasons, yeah. There are many aspirants who are working cognizant, or there may be many aspirants who will be willing to take part in case competitions, live project at my main school. Not only you. So why I should select you in my main school? That is my question.
Right. So, like apart from academics, I certainly believe and like I am very much capable of doing extra curricular activities like show, society club participation and a case-based competitions. And like if I got selected, then I definitely uh, try to contribute in many ways as possible, like volunteering for teaching to like the underprivileged guys, underprivileged children, so I can be a useful asset to your institution.
Okay, okay, fair enough. Okay, so tell me how do you deal with negativity or criticism during your internship? How you were deal with or during your college days? How you deal with negativity or some bad part of it?
Well, while dealing, well, it's a part and parcel of life, negative and criticism. And in those tough times, you really need to believe in yourself. You need to buckle up and to put yourself together in those tough times, right? So this is something I believe it's a part and parcel of a life. And since you're working in a corporate, there are different people. You're supposed to work in a teams, and there are many people who perspective to the situation is differ from you. So you have to accept that, right? So yes.
Okay, okay, fair enough. Okay, so Abhishek, as I can see, you are an ENTC engineer, right?
Sorry,
As I can see, you are an ENTC engineer, electronics and telecommunication engineer, right?
Elect- electronics and communication engineer.
Okay, okay. So can you tell me what is capacitor?
Right. Capacitor is a passive electronic component which is used to hold the electric voltage and charge.
Okay, okay. Can you tell me what is the difference between resistor and capacitor?
Since these both are passive electronic component, resistor is usually used to resist the flow of electric current inside the circuit, and whereas capacitor mainly used to store the electric voltage or a charge inside it. It usually used in a electrical gadgets where we need to have a push on. Capacitor is being used in the electric circuits where we need to limit the flow of electric current.
Okay, okay, fair enough. Can you tell me what is the symbol of charge?
Charge, it's a Greek symbol. Uh, I guess it's well, I'm not able to recall its name right now, but I have that image in my mind.
Not symbol. I'm asking the basic like denotion. Like A, like voltage is given by V, current is given by I. So हम charge को इससे बताते हैं. Tell me that.
Charge C, I guess.
You sure? So if C is charge, what is capacitor then?
Capacitor R.
Sorry,
It's R. It's normal R.
capacitor is R.
Yes.
You sure?
Yeah. Yeah. Yes, sir. Sure.
100% sure?
Yeah. Yes, sir. 100% sure.
Okay, okay, fine. Let's move on. So, Abhishek, as I can see, you are an engineer, right? So, after engineering, you should go for MTech or some technical course. Why management course?
As sir, I've told you, I have done an internship in Cognizant, and during my internship days, I develop a keen interest in management. I have so my colleagues who holds an MBA degree, and I have closely worked with HR in my project in internship. There's a hospital management project which I have worked. So this is where I personally believe that it piqued my interest in MBA. And secondly, I belongs to a business family. My father runs a fertilizers and pesticide business, and I have also helped my father in my in my early childhood days. And business has been a part of my life right from my childhood.
Okay, fair enough, fair enough. Fine, Abhishek. I think we are done with the interview. So, any question for me from your side? Any question?
No, sir. Thank
No question?
you. No, no.
Okay, great, Abhishek. So, I think we are done with the interview. You can leave the link.